Welcome to Jeet.org. Today I will be teach you a Schneider Electric PLC software, how to install and activate it. We will start with Schneider Electric Machine Expert Basic V1.3. First of all we will go to the any of browser and then open the Schneider Electric website EcoStruxure Machine Expert Basic V1.3. Then after here is the download button, but I have already downloaded the software, so we will directly go to the our file location, and then after we will install step by step. I have a already zip file, so first of all extract all the document. You find the setup file of the Machine Expert Basic V1.3. Run as administrator. Okay, press yes. Okay, and next I accept and I agree. Okay, this is by default, first name, last name, your company name. Then next, this is the file location you want to install the in C drive or any other. Then next, install. Press the finish button. Go to the setting and activation. The offer code is activated. Whatever you can put in here. Otherwise, you can go to this website and FAQs. Here is the local offer code. You can copy and paste here in manually, and then after apply, and then after close the software. Press enter. Press inactive, then apply. software is installed properly and activated also. Now you can select any one PLC like TM214T. Click here, drop the here. Done. We will discuss programming part in next video. Thank you very much.